Look at that in there. Oh, but let's check this out. That appears to be dirty as well. And right there as well. Seems like this has been a return before. Wow. I was not expecting this. This is dirty as well. Can you see that? This has been used before. Wow. Yikes. And it took me time to open it up because I wanted to wait till I got some laundry to do. Try it out. But I guess I should have opened it earlier. Just check it out. Look at that. Wow, it's not even coming out. It seems like it's like dried soap with obviously dirty water. But this, look at that. Let me see if I can zoom in. Look at that. Wow. I was not expecting that. I can't believe it. I can't believe I bought a brand new one. Wow. Let's see this. I noticed something right here, but I wasn't really paying attention because I thought, oh, you know, from the manufacturer sometimes. See how dirty this is? Let me see. Look at that. Little things like that doesn't really bother me, like on this side, because sometimes the manufacturers, they, you know, set them aside and anything can happen. But that is not right. And this right here, if you can see, it's not right because that appears to be dirty water. And I know some of the companies, they say they have to test them before. Yeah, I understand that. But oh, look here. And I